Hello, I hope you're having an amazing day. I am in our new house, and by new, I mean new to us because it's a very old fixer-upper. I'm gonna quickly walk through and show you exactly what it looks like as it is right now after getting the keys and give you an idea of what we're working with. Right now, I'm standing at the front door, and this is the biggest fixer-upper. Straight to the right here is a mini bathroom. And this is before we've done any work at all. If you continue through here, this is a little bedroom. Needs so much work done. If we go back out here, there's the front door. Head into the kitchen. And again, all this linoleum needs to be pulled out. That goes to the back door. Here's the kitchen. Original tile, original kitchen cabinets, everything. There's gonna be a lot of work to be done in here. Come through here, this is where the dining room will be. And then turn around here, huge living room, fireplace, and then a family room. I don't know what's called what, but sliding doors right here, big window, a random closet. Then if you head down here, we're gonna rip this carpet out. And see, we're having painters come today and there's holes in the wall. Come in this room. This will be the boys' room, I'm thinking. And this is what this looks like. All this carpet's gonna go. And yes. There's a closet here. And then if we head down, back out of this room, there is a little bathroom. And then this room is a walk-through, so you can walk completely through this bedroom. It's all original hardwood floors, which obviously need a lot of work. And a lot of work needs to be done in here. Nice closets, but need a lot of work. And then if you continue to head through this room, there's a really deep shelf here and cabinet, which is really nice, super deep. So I think what we might end up doing is taking part of this cabinet to make the bathroom larger. But if you were to turn around here, you're back into the living room. So it's kind of a little of a loop. And then if you continue down, here is the largest bathroom. And it needs a lot of work. Again, the sink. So we're extremely excited, but there is so much work that needs to be done. I honestly just can't even believe the amount of work, but we're gonna get it done slowly but surely. Yeah, everything needs to be redone. Look at this sink. It's just everything, everything. If you come back out and continue down this hall, You go into what I think will be our master bedroom. And we have painters coming today, like I said, to redo this wall. I don't know what this is, some kind of texture on the wall. And then there's this nice big closet. And look at this floor. It needs to be fixed up. But big windows, lots of light. And of course, we are taking this really random mirror down. And then if we head back out and through this bedroom, this is that little bedroom that I started with in the house. So this goes through to the bathroom. And then we're back at the front door again. Back to the front door. So that is the house. And there's a little closet right here. Lots of closets, so that's good. We have so much work to do. It's a major fixer-upper, but we're excited about it, and we're just gonna take each project slowly and take our time. To start with, we're having painters come in right away, and they're gonna paint everything white just so it's nice and fresh in here, and then we're gonna move all our stuff in. So eventually, the floors are gonna have to be fixed up, the kitchen's gonna have to be completely redone, everything is pretty much going to have to be redone, but we're very excited, at least I'm very excited. I know Grant's thinking there's gonna be a lot of work to be done. So this is what our house looks like right now. And if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and you can watch this video to see our decluttering journey and what brought us to this point today. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.